All right, good morning, you crazy gamblers. Trey Campbell here. Welcome to SMC Live Trading. Today's date is 2/1/2021. Hope you're ready to rock and roll. I know I am. Now, let me get the chat room up here. Let me get some other things going here so we can get started. I never seem to get these things going on time. Just the way my morning works out. So, anyway, how's everybody's weekend? Hope it was good. Hope it was really, really good. Mine was pretty good. I mean, to be a weekend. Can't complain. All right. Let's see. Okay. So, let's go over a few things. This morning, we have a little bit of news we can get here. So we can get a little news going on. All right, let's see here.
Good morning there, Trey.
Good morning. Good morning.
Oh,
Pretty good, man. You doing good?
yeah, good,
Right on.
good. Looks like we got S&P. Looks like the S&P 500's up about 32 points.
Yeah,
Dow
crazy.
futures up about 208 points. Natural gas and gold are up. Silver's up about 2 points here. Right, almost going on 3 actually. Looking pretty good. I think overall trend though, if I pull out, you pull out these charts here and you're looking at like the hourly 4-hour charts here.
Did you say silver?
Um,
Silver was up.
yeah, silver's up about almost $3 now.
Awesome. Thank you, silver people.
So yeah, I know, right? Looking pretty good. Indices, that's what I want. Indices. Let's see what else we got here. Nasdaq's also up about 136 points. So, I think our algo's probably going to open up that we're in a bullish trend anyway. So
Yeah.
we'd have to have some sort of sell off to happen, which I mean can happen. I mean, looking at the overall, the longer term stuff, it looks like we're still pointed down. So I mean, we could see a retracement at some point once the market opens.
Right.
I don't know. You're looking at some news. We got anything on the calendar?
Um, let's see here. I was looking at, of course, some Nokia stuff. Gold stocks were down, says, but um, okay. I see the silver's up. I'm just going through Yahoo Finance right now, just trying to locate something that would be ideal for us to use, but I don't really see anything. Oh, let me check the calendar and see if we got anything going on this morning. Does not appear that way.
So, I don't know if anybody's been watching Sundial, ticker symbol SNDL. It's hitting $1 this morning. I entered that thing at 54 cents, sold it almost the same day. I think it was the same day at 98 cents, and now it came back down a little bit, and not down like a lot, but kind of retraced, and then now it's back up at $1. So
10 o'clock we got ISM manufacturing PMI.
okay.
Heavy impact. and then the rest is all low impact stuff. But that's a big one at
Yeah.
10 o'clock. So we'll see. We'll see what happens. It's pulling down a little bit right now. Let me get the chart up. That'd probably be a good idea, wouldn't it?
Oh, we just got a looks like we just got a sell signal here for the ES. So 5 minute trend has changed. So we are now in a sell right now.
Rock on. Yes, that's good. I'm not really gonna go into it though until I don't know. Should I? Maybe before the market. Let me get the chart up.
I'm gonna wait. I think I might wait. Let me look at the. I'm gonna give it just a little bit of time. We need a retracement here. Test some highs. Maybe even. Let's see. I mean, if you were thinking about possibly entering this trade, maybe 37.42 short. At least get a initial, one lot on, and then build into the short.
Right.
That's what I'm thinking.
So I did scratch my trade last night.
Oh yeah, I seen that.
Ended up $18 in the profit. I was down a lot more than I thought. I thought I was only down like $220. No, that short I was in was $290, man. And then, so that was pretty intense. And then, lucky for me, I turned around and put on. I started building into this long position, and basically, what I did was just kind of flipped it and went the other way.
Nice. Yeah. Did you see where it ended up?
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Almost 40 something points from where you entered.
Yeah.
I mean, you would have had to be sitting there almost all night, trading this thing. But I mean, that's an incredible amount of money just on a small amount of contracts.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I was pretty shocked. I'm glad I didn't know that I was down as much as I was, because if I'd known that, I probably wouldn't have taken as much risk on the back up to the upside, and it needed to be done.
Yeah.
So.
Trying to see what this thing's doing. It looks like it's stuck right now at 37.36. There we go.
All right. Wow. So okay. So last night I was running some tests, right, Neil?
Mm-hmm.
And was with the setting at 14 instead of 1430 on the bot.
Yeah.
If you'd have done, if somebody would have been in our 5 standard account.
Yeah.
The back test shows on the bot in January, as slow as January was, $10,671.
Wait, what? On 5 micros?
No, 5 standard.
5 standard. Oh, 5 standards. Okay.
Yeah.
Damn.
Yep. So, even though January was terrible, that's what changing. That's what changing the time, of course, because we left it at 1430. So we didn't get to trade any, but by changing the time to 14, it traded a few more times, and which resulted in pretty big money for the 7 trades total. The average winning trade at that price level at 5 standard contracts was $1,539.
Pretty crazy.
It had 0 losing trades in January.
Yeah, to be honest with you, like for that algo, I do kind of like the 14 1400, which is like just a half hour before the market opens.
Yeah.
Well,
Well,
which isn't
at least
isn't
for right
bad.
now. At least for right now.
Yeah, yeah. I think right now market it looks like we're gonna. I honestly think we're gonna come back down. Looking at this 5 minute chart here, it's gonna look. I think it's gonna look pretty good here. Looking pretty good for potential short.
Oh, trying to sneeze, so if I go away. Oh, okay, I'm back. Whew, had to get that out of my system.
Huh. Need to get. Gotta pull up AT&T's chart here.
Okay, 14. You said AT&T?
Yep, yep, yeah. Well, you know what? You know what stinks is I never got filled. Never got filled the other day on my extra, you know, stocks here because I'm just building into this long-term position, so I never got filled,
Mm-hmm.
and now we're back up towards $29. So I'm just gonna put a good till cancel order here, for $28.50. So that order is just gonna sit out there. Um, I got Pfizer order still sitting out there, and edits out there for that's going to be potentially a long drawn out one if it ever gets down to $44. That's where I'm trying to add
Right.
on it. So just try to build into these positions for the foreseeable future. I mean, these long term trades could be 6 months to a year to 2 years, 3 years, however long.
Yep. Yep. That's the way I'm looking at it too.
But the rest of the trades that I'm going to be talking about, at least for today, are more like shorter term, like INO.
Yeah.
INO is a long over 13.95.
Yep. I've actually got an order sitting working right now for INO.
Do you? Okay.
Yep.
Okay.
Yep.
Okay. Yep. INO. Big C. Take a look at Big C. That is Big Commerce. Got a bullish swing trade on it. I'm thinking over. Well, it's already over. Damn. I was gonna say over $80, but we're pre-market we're at 80.47. So
What do you have contract wise? What would you take?
For that one, any one of these, I think I'm going to be doing. What is this? It looks like you can only do February 19th on it. So February 19th on that one. Holy cow, these are expensive options.
Well, I was going to see what a spread would cost. So
yeah, if I'm going to do that, let me look back at this chart here. I'd be looking at like $85, 80 to 85. Swing trades. And swing trade. Like when I say swing trade, man, this thing could be like something that's gonna take like a while. Do me a favor.
Yo. Really fast. There's a really good one. A spread trade from. I got you. Yeah, I did it.
Yeah.
I did it. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Here's a really good trade for you. Big C. You could buy a vertical call, which is gonna cost you $153 with a max profit of 347
for 85.
For 80, actually before 85, like 82. So you're gonna be profitable. You're gonna be profitable at
quick.
Yeah, actually before 82. Like 81.50. It looks like. Somewhere in there, maybe, or maybe even 81. I think 81.50. It's so hard to look on my phone. Hey, let me pull it up. I'll show you. I keep forgetting I've got it on both ends now. So let's look at Big C. So it's a bullish alert, right? So it's pulled back. It showed that it's going to trade upwards. So we're going to go to the table, go 18 days out. And what we want is we want a hang on, let me go back on my phone here so I can see. So you want the 80. What we want to do is we want to buy the 80 and sell the 85. It creates a $5 spread, and within that $5 spread, we are profitable at 81.50. So that's what that would look like for us. Look at how close that is to the money. So, and it's 150 risk to make double your risk. So I'm all game for that. Neil, you still there?
Yep. Yeah, sorry. I was zoning out looking at some charts and stuff. But yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's
Yeah, that's
yeah,
not
it
a bad
sounds
little
pretty
deal.
good, man.
Yeah. Yeah. The probability is low on the trade, like 42%, but it's got a 55% chance of hitting 50% target. So half of 347 has a 55% chance hitting it. Only a 42% chance of expiring in the green here. But those, I mean, I don't know. Those statistics are sometimes a little skewed for the simple fact that you gotta, it's taking some mathematical equations, which I love it. I love statistics, but that's just math by itself. That's with no other thought to it at all. Like they don't know that this thing, it's measuring this pullback as part of the probability of it continuing to fall, which it could. It could come all the way down to $74, $75 before it finds support.
Oh, it really could. Yeah. Let me I'm gonna pull it up here on another charting platform here, just kind of take a look at, where we're sitting. Um okay. Yeah, I mean, we're actually sitting at a really nice level. So really what actually looks really nice is 78.50. Come down into 78.50, and that has been like a low for a while. Um,
Yeah.
real nice.
So
It's a
let's
real nice level, 78.50.
Yeah. So I'm gonna watch Big C because
I do I do like it for like a breakout though. You know what I mean? Like if you're gonna get in here and I mean it is just it's a swing trade. So when I say swing trade, it could even just end up, you know, reaching a goal of yours personally, today or overnight after hours or something,
yeah.
but like it's thought of to be a swing trade, so you can hold it for a little bit longer and maybe capture a bigger move. But the thought is here is like looking at this one chart. I mean, we could push as high as like 84, like I said, 85, 86, all the
Mm-hmm.
way up to about 87.50 ish area.
Yeah.
Um,
Well, well,
so
well, now that I really zoomed out on it, man, it looks really clean. I mean, it looks great because it's been. I mean, you look at this daily chart on the 2 year, and over the course of the 2 years, this thing's been kind of trending down, and it's just had a major breakout to the upside, but it's in a pullback, so it looks like one of those very first powerful breakouts that could run up to try to test like mid highs and highs, and you got a really big gap up here at 131. I mean, this gap needs to fill. I don't know if you see that.
yeah, I see it. Yeah, yeah.
So that's something to look at as well. Let's do this here.
Right. Let's see. Let's see if the ES gets to where I want to enter. 3741-ish area.
Yeah, Big C, man. That's a good one. I like the odds. I like the odds on that. I'm gonna
Yeah,
be watching that
Big C is a
close.
good trade. Big C's good.
I mean, the odds are good. I mean, you could stop. You don't have to risk $150. You can. Let's go back to the trade here. Oops, that's one I've got working. Let's go to the table here. So, I mean, here's the thing. For 155 in total risk, your probability is 347. And we've got well, that's 18 days. I don't know. Do you think it does it in 18 days?
18 days. Where are we targeting? Oh, 18 days to get up to 85?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Okay.
Oh yeah. I think so. I think so. We just got to look at its daily movement, right? So you have the daily chart up. So from here to, yeah, man. Yeah, man. Even just on one day, it moves at least like a couple dollars.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Right, right. Yep. I mean,
There's been a couple days where, it didn't move much, but even on those days it didn't move much, it was moving, a few dollars.
right. Yeah. Yeah, I see that. I mean, it's
1390's printing on INO. So get yourself ready to rock and roll here. Well, you already got your order there. I'm
yeah.
gonna get my options chain open here.
So I bought the February 26th, 25 days out, $13.50 call. And the $14 call I sold, both on the call side. And what that did was that created a vertical spread, which limited my downside and, give me a good upside potential. So, 3 minutes to open T minus here. So I'm gonna actually pull this down for a second so we can watch the market. We're still in a bearish trend. We could play that. We could play that until the market tells us otherwise. Where's everybody at today? Monday. Everybody wake up. Wake up. Chat with us, man. I feel like I'm in a ghost land or something. I know there's people.
We pretty much are. I mean, anybody is this a stream into Twitch too?
Yeah, we're in Twitch and YouTube. So, hi. So, we'll see. We'll see if they come along. Chat it up here. If you got any questions, man, or anything, let us know. We don't do this just for the heck of it. We do this for you. 2 minutes. T minus 2 minutes.
Dude, can't wait. Need these options to open up here.
Yeah, are you gonna do are you definitely going in the Big C? Big C. Are you gonna try Big C?
I'm gonna be looking at Big C also. I'm gonna be see here. Big C, my thing, I'm gonna do the February 19th.
Yeah, I'm gonna get in a little bit lower here. I'm gonna try to limit in at like 140 for the vertical spread instead of the 150 risk. Try to anticipate maybe a morning an open pullback and just see if I can't get in there. I'll take it though. I like it. I think it looks good. I just don't know if it does in 18 days. But we'll see. So
yeah, I think 18 days. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Well, it's working. We'll see if we get filled. I've got 2 positions working now. Hopefully I can get filled on them. I don't know. Last week I couldn't get filled on Tasty for some reason, but I don't think it was.
No,
I
I
think
know
it's
it was
because
really weird.
my funds hadn't cleared yet. So you know, now
Yeah,
that
it's possible.
now that my funds have cleared, should be. I think it'll be a little easier.
Mhm. All right, here we go. We're opened up. We're opened up. All right, so 1370s printing on the on INO.
Okay.
1378.
Yep, both
See
of
what
mine
the
are just
option chain is
working.
looking like. So 14s looks like 14s are about $1.13 for February 5th. February 5th here. So it's gonna wait. Gonna wait. I want to get the 14s.
Mm-hmm. So I don't know how to pull your order up once you put it in the working.
Like the working queue, yeah.
Yeah. I don't know. I
Not
still
too
have so many.
familiar with Tasty.
I have so much to learn with Tasty, so going to just continue to be patient with it, I guess. I'm waiting on Weeble too to text me back and let me know that I'm approved for the options.
Did you see where Big C opened up?
No, where did it open?
$82, and now it's coming back right back down to 80.
Okay.
I know. I know it's coming down 1340s right now. So still patiently waiting on this one here. I'm not jumping in on this yet. I'm gonna give it some working working time here. So 1395's the pretty much the entry. $14 calls have gone up though.
Yeah.
We're looking at probably I might do 1450s just to give myself a little bit more space. All right, here we go. Yes, dude, ES is coming down, man.
I see that. I see that. I'm ready to rock and roll with it, and let's see what happens. Watching it, that's our primary baby. So, we want to make sure that we're giving it its. Make sure that we're giving it its due diligence as far as I put in for a withdrawal like early last week in AMP, and they haven't taken it out of my account yet.
Oh, that's weird.
Kind of weird. Yeah. So, okay, looking probably start getting short here, on this sell-off that's happening right now. Start getting short. Well, I'm gonna start getting short. All right, I'm short. You guys hear my thing? I need to change that. Could have been a mistake.
I'm short on that. Yeah, I'm short. I'm short right there too.
I don't know. I think it's gonna come. Let's mark us out a profit here. I'm liking like right there at the bottom there, like right there at that support. That's what I'm looking at right now. So we'll see. This whole thing could change, and that's fine if it does. We'll work it out.
Ooh.
Yeah.
There goes INO.
Yeah. See, I don't ever get filled on these things, so I don't know. INO. Let's see. Trade. What? Oh. So I've got the 1350 and the 14 right now on INO. And I am just trying to buy them. And what's crazy, dude, is I'm trying to buy them. If I'm buying and selling, I'm buying the ask and I'm selling the
Mm-hmm.
the bid. So it's not like I'm trying to bid in the middle. I don't know. I don't get it.
Yeah. Well, I got a dollar. I got the February 5th option calls for 14 $14 strike price. I'm bidding at a $1.45 for the contract.
Okay.
Contract's basically $1.54 right now.
I got you. Yeah, I'll just let it bid out and see what happens then. Cause I'm here. We go. Here we go. Short coming in here. We're gonna add. We'll get to add here. Maybe if it breaks down, we'll add.
Ooh, I'm in. Looks like I got filled on my INO.
You lucky dog.
It's about 4 or 5% right now. 8%.
I just want to get filled in something. If you wondering why my uh chart looks kind of stupid, it's just because it's so blind when I leave it white. It's so blinding on my eyes. But I don't like black either because they say that's not good to look at.
Oh,
So
really?
yeah,
I really prefer the black chart.
I do too. I do too. But
So much better.
this it they say that it's just as bad on your eyes as the white one, or is. So I try to put an eggshell on there just to you know change it up a little bit. My eyes are getting so bad anyway, though. They are. They're getting terrible.
Come on. Come on, INO. Freaking you know what's so hard is watching this on the freaking 1 minute chart. It's like it's so crazy.
Yeah. Yeah, that's tough. Just gotta kind of let that go. Shoot, man, these futures are just messing with me this morning. Um,
Dude, INO, man. You know what I just did?
what?
Got myself out of that one.
Did you?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, dude. I got the percentage that I wanted. Just 20. I mean, it was a really not a lot of money, but $20 real quick.
That's amazing.
Real quick, man. And it's still go oh my God, it is still going. Right. Let's focus on this futures trade here. We're still in sell.
Yep, still selling, still selling. So we just gotta.
Put myself back on this 5 minute chart, dude. It's a lot easier to watch.
Um,
All right, so what's Big C? What's Big C doing? Not nothing really, huh? It's actually
uh,
coming down.
yeah, man, I'm surprised I'm not getting filled on it. Like, how do I don't get it, man. And then see, it's like it says up
Yeah,
here, it's like Nasdaq.
I don't know what your orders are like. You know what I mean? Like it's kind of strange.
I know, and I can't bring it up. I can't I don't know how to.
Like edit
So,
the order. Can you right
yes.
click on it?
So okay, so when I right click, it tells me I can cancel, replace, similar or opposite. Should I put
Well,
replace?
if you replace, wouldn't it?
Oh. Hang on. Look, future selling, future selling.
Oh, I know.
Oh, it's probably gonna hit my target before I get an ad. Come on, come on. I'm gonna add to this.
What a beautiful trade, man.
Oh yeah,
Oh,
maybe. Oh, I
it's still good. It's still good.
well, I lost my ad though. That's what I don't like. Okay, so I'm gonna. Which one should I do? Big C or INO? Let's do replace order. And so right now for this one, I'm looking.
I'm not even looking at Big C right now. Actually, you know what? You know what? It is coming into that area, dude. It fell right below that area that I was talking about.
It is. So big C, let's replace order. All right. This is what we got right now going. We've got see when you do a spread, it gives you the spread price. So what it does is it calculates the two together. It gives you a joint price of $1.35.
So your limit entry is $1.35 on the contract. What are we looking at on the contracts right now? Like where are they? Oh, you're
Um,
looking at February 19th. Let me look at it. The option change should be the same.
yeah,
Doesn't matter, right?
right, right.
For what price? 80?
80 and 85.
Mm.
So I'm buying. So I'm
I
buying.
wonder if that's why, dude. The option chain is $8 on the ask.
Well, I know, but see, I'm bidding. I'm bidding. It what it does is um when you do a spread trade, it adds it all up and then subtracts. It all does it to one, so that like you get
Oh,
you
I see what you're saying. That's why it's $1.35 because I see the bids now.
you-
790 and 525 is
right,
doing
right
a median of the. I see.
of the
I see.
two. So it's really
Mm-hmm.
hard to
Mm-hmm.
calculate when am I going to get filled. You know. Um,
I think we're gonna get an ad here on the ES here.
really having a difficult time right there. I would like to see that. That would be great. Um,
Dude, INO is a beautiful trade. You're in it, right? You're an INO? Oh
no.
no, I feel like you need to. I feel like just do some straight options for right now to make some money. Even though you want to try that strategy, but I don't understand why it's not filling you.
Dude, your guess is as good as mine, man. Like,
Right? Like,
yeah,
yeah.
I don't know, man. Like, okay, let's look at INO replace order. Let's look at this. So I'm trying to get filled at the median of 10 cents, which is the difference between 335 and 385, and 330 and 350.
Mm-hmm.
So, um, which is actually in the money right now. Or I'm sorry, yeah, in the money, big time.
Can you just do like a actual instead of limit? Can you do market?
Yeah, but if
I mean, I
I'm
wouldn't want you to mark it in right now though.
yeah, if I mark it in, I'm gonna take a hit.
Can you see where it's blinking right now? We're in the 1450s.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah. I mean, there's no way I'm gonna get that for that price because of the way it's
Nah,
trading. So,
no.
oh, dude, I'm gonna add to that trade there. Shoot. What did I just do? There we go. Uh, Same target, target's not changing. So let's go up here to positions. I'm gonna delete this one. Sorry, my voice is leaving me.
Sorry.
And then we're going to what are you doing, man? See, I've got such a learning curve to do on this. See, now I'm stuck in this. I'm stuck in this stupid thing now. All right. Big C is still got working. INO.
Ooh, come on, ES. Let's go. Let's go.
See, I can't do anything with this, man. I don't.
Dude, it's gonna be a good trade, man. Exits right here. 34, 34, 34,
Yeah,
34,
I'm
34,
out.
34.
I'm out. I'm out.
Come on. There it is.
I'm out. That's a $33 trade. So I'll take that. Look to try to do it again.
All right.
Okay.
See, what did I have for 18? Oh, I did get my AT&T fill. Nice. Nice. I got my extra
What
tax on that one.
what price did you get filled?
28.50.
Nice. I'm in at 28.
28.50. So I don't know what my average is. Let me look at my average now. Probably tell me what my average is. Average is now 28.67.
I am currently red. I've got 12 positions. I am only green on 5 of them.
Dude, I'm only green on 1, 2, 3. Intel, Virgin Galactic, and the Sweston Energy. Just one that Webull gave me. But then I got Ford, AT&T, Pfizer, AMD, Vail, Starbucks, and Edit. Edit's the worst.
Yeah.
Edit's the worst. You know, that one's down a lot. But it's the long term. It's a long term hold, so it's, you know, I don't even really consider it anything, you know, other than it's just there.
Right.
You know. Oh, dude. Futures coming down. Getting red on the NQ. Are we in? No, we're not going to get filled.
All right, so I'm gonna have to redo the.
Let's see any other swing trades coming out.
INO still look good.
Oh, INO? Yeah, INO's coming down 1420s.
Oh, I got filled.
Oh,
I got filled. I got my first fill, man. That's what's up.
nice. Did you change it?
Yeah.
Can we change the order or?
Yeah,
Okay.
I had to change it to 14.50. So,
Oh.
so for me,
So I'm excited to see how this works out now. Like you know, it's a strategy that, you know, you've been talking about, so I want to see, like, I want to see what happens.
yeah, I'm
I know you want to see it too.
I do. I do. So we'll look at that. I have no clue to see, like, what my profit and loss is.
Oh, what about your main screen, your main window, where your orders are?
It's activity that's trade.
Oh, trade profit right there. Is that what it is? TP? Receiver says trade P.
Yeah. I don't know. It just definitely looks different than um than the other screens that I've seen. So I don't know, man. I'm so confused right now. I am so confused.
Tell you what, man.
Oh,
Shit. AMC, huh? Let's see. What did he do with AMC? Holy cow.
oh yeah, AMC. I don't wanna mess with AMC.
AMC's almost $16. He got in at 14.
Wow. See, according to this trade should be green.
Yeah, because you're already in the. Yeah. Yeah, well, yeah. Where's the. Like, how do you even know? Like,
So
let's say it gets to let's say it gets to like $15, and you're like, all right, it's a decent amount of profit, and I want to get out of it.
yeah.
Like, how do you know? If you go to positions, maybe. Hey, what is that? What's that trade P say?
Trade P
Trade
says
where
negative 15.
is that trade profit?
Yeah, I guess so. Um,
Can you expand that out to see?
no, can't do anything. Oh,
You can't make it
uh,
like the column larger so you could see what it says.
uh-uh. No, you can't do anything. So,
Oh, I see. So part of the lag, part of the vertical spread, you're profitable $3.03. The other one you're not, you're down.
yeah.
So your total is 15 cents. I see.
But why would it show me on the
Like on the chart?
yeah, on this curve? Why would it say that that's in the green if it's not? You see what I'm saying? Like, why? That's such a false thing.
Yeah, I don't get it. I don't get it. You should be getting close to being up, pretty decent now. It's like 1460s, 14 almost 1470 right now.
Exactly. I'm still just sitting at 15, it says. But see, what I don't get is like my positions page looks different than any other like instructional videos that I've watched. That's why I'm so confused.
I know.
Like all the instructional videos I watched, they all list different a different way of
Hmm.
they have like a thing right here and it lists like how much is your running total, like your I mean they look really clean, and
Yeah, yours doesn't look that way.
no. So I don't know, man. I'm so confused.
Yeah, I'm not a fan of I don't know. I'm not a fan of the platform. Like it looks very difficult.
Well, it's not supposed to be, man. It's supposed to be like the most easiest thing ever.
Hmm.
So,
Yeah.
so who knows?
Wow. Dude, ES.
I know. It's just dying.
Oh man. Crazy. Well, I did say it was going down, right? Did say that.
Yeah. See now, my trade profit's gone.
Oh my God, dude, this was another trade. Um, This is another trade. I'll let you in on this one. mRNA. mRNA was a short at 169, I think. I think it was like 169.50 or something, and it's at 158.
Dude, can you see the Tastyworks platform now? I don't think I changed anything, but now my total profit loss is gone. What the? Like, I don't even know, man.
Yeah. I mean,
I am so confused.
it makes it very difficult to trade it. Because like, how are you gonna know like when you want to get out? You know, if you wanted to get out.
Right. Oh, there it is. Group order chains. Symbol. None. Symbol. Okay. So now at least I know. Who knows? I think I'll get better with it. Just gotta
Yeah.
just gotta stay patient. I just get really impatient with.
Oh, I mean, it's confusing. It's very confusing. And I still don't understand how you're not in profit yet because I mean, dude, this thing's approaching like 1490s.
Mm-hmm.
So like the thought that right like so the vertical spread idea, right, is that you're taking both sides to the trade basically, right? You're shorting and you're going long. In hopes that one of the positions is going to be better than the other, right?
Mm-hmm.
And it looks like the long side is better, but it's really not profitable yet.
Oh, this is cool. I got Tom's watch list.
Oh, no way.
Yeah.
Oh, that's
He's
cool.
got a big watch list. Stocks though, BA, BABA, BIDU, Beyond,
And some
C, CAT,
futures.
CMG, COF, Cost, CRM, Cron, CRWD. Oh, this thing, this is really cool, man, because I will say one really cool thing about Tastyworks is if you really don't know what you're doing, there is this thing on the mobile platform, at least,
Hmm.
where you can it's kind of like Facebook for Tastyworks, but it's all the people that work at Tastyworks and they post their trades live.
It's cool.
Yeah. So you can go to on the app, you go down to um let's see. I'm sorry, menu, and you go to Tasty Trade and you can see Tom bought futures this morning. He bought them. Now he's closing it. He got hammered.
Hmm.
Dude, he before the market even opened, AMC, AMC, GLD, Silver, TSM, Twitter, ZM, PDD, another futures trade. I mean, this dude is nuts, man. Absolutely nuts.
Funny, a couple of those trades you just mentioned are some that I seen the TT guys take.
Really
Yep.
makes you wonder.
I mean, you gotta think about some of these things too, right? It's like, I mean, you can only have so, like you can only look at so much, right? So somebody like says, "Oh, look at this," or like I was looking at this, and you're gonna look, you might also look at it and then find, potential trade,
Dude, my um sorry, I didn't mean to interrupt you, but it's showing that I am up $29 on my INO trade on my mobile, on my phone. Now it's saying I'm down $21. What? Now it's saying I'm up $34. I don't.
Yeah, yeah. Well, you're doing really good on it right now. It's almost $15. If you're up, if you're up, suit. I mean, you could hold it as long as you want, but
Well, I don't know what to do. I'm not showing any profit, so I don't know. Like I'm just so confused, dude. Like I am, like, highly confused right now. This is not the way this should be. This is not the way this should look at all. Oh, here's that page right here. So you could follow all these people trading.
that's so cool.
Yeah.
The heck is spread futures? PRG21. What is that?
I don't know.
Dude, INO, man. Go, 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 go. Waiting on another short signal here for the ES. She goes. That I'm on the minute chart, man. Everything looks so crazy.
Dude, I just did something. I don't know what I did. Wait, now I got like this indicator
I know.
E38. What the heck is that?
You gotta stop clicking on things, man.
I mean,
So take a look at your INO. I would probably look at it on your mobile if it's easier and can show you what profit you're in, because it's almost $15.10 right now. Oh, so we got some trades here to look at here. I'm gonna look at VIR. VIR. So it's gonna be a. Let's see here. Be a bearish.
see, I don't know how to close
Bearish
it.
trade.
So it
VIR.
shows I'm up $20.
You should be up a lot more. It's $15 and almost 30 cents.
Well, with the spread, you're capped on your
Right.
P&L on the day. Still showing $17 in the green. I should be at $35 before I close this position. But I can't tell because I can't See, this just tells me I'm.
How do you close it?
You just right click and say close position. Should I close it? You think I should just close it and just see what happens?
I mean, you're already up like 30 something bucks, right?
Well, it says I'm up $18 right now.
See what happens, dude. I mean, it's just a first trade. I think it's good to just kind of get familiar with how to open and close trades too, you know?
Yeah, see, look, now I'm increased by $32 right now.
Oh, yeah, there you go. Nice. Dude, that was a good trade.
No, I'm still out. I'm still out.
Oh, you're still in it?
Yeah.
Okay. You're gonna try to hold it for a little bit more.
No, I have no clue, man. Like I am so lost right now. And I'm frustrated to the nth degree, man. I'm like trying to stay with you. I really am, but I want to go throw something right now. Yeah. Like I'm dead serious. Like I'm so mad at this thing. Like it is unbelievable how crazy this is.
And dude, I'm telling you, man, it looks like a wild platform. Like I don't really, I don't
Well,
understand it.
I just don't understand why mine looks different than everybody else's that I saw. Like why?
Right, right.
Like it should just be simple. It should list it and then tell me my profit and loss.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
You know, P&L on the day. I'm up uh $8 on the day. Okay, all right. Look, P&L day $8.
Oh, and the other one says 72.
Well, that's on this. That's on that one.
Oh, oh, oh.
So if I just put it right there, it'll just, you know, it'll say right there. So what I did was, here's what I did. I've got working order to sell at $35 profit, which is, or 33.
Mm-hmm.
So I've got a working order to sell at 33, and I'm currently at 8. Which the reason I'm at 8 is because of the Theo or whatever.
The theta thing.
Yeah. See the Theo or Theta or whatever is at 787, 764. So that would explain why I'm only up $8 on the crazy little bastard. So we'll let that play out a little bit. I don't know. Try to calm myself back down here for freak out. Oh,
You seem relatively calm there.
oh man. It's because I'm live.
Yeah. All right, man. We're getting potential short coming in. Hopefully. Let's see what happens here. We're still in bearish territory. So might get another trade here on the ES.
Did you call out another stock trade?
I don't know if I did or not. Oh, VIR. Yes, I did. Yes. VIR is a bearish trade. Look for that thing to go down.
Let's say that one more time.
VIR. So Victor Indigo Romeo.
VIR. 72.68 bearish trade. Oh, I see that. Yeah. Okay.
Yep. So currently watching it right now. Trying to see if I can get a gauge on what I want to do here. Almost wish I bought some shares on INO also, man.
Mm-hmm.
You know?
Get ready.
Doing
Get
both
ready.
ways. Yep.
Future's looking good.
Mm-hmm. I think we get another opportunity here to kind of test this low this morning. potentially break it.
So, whew, that's expensive. That's an expensive trade on.
All right, here it is. Here it is.
Yep. Boom. I'm in. I'm gonna go right there. 1750. Um, why is nothing working for me this morning? $21.75. Oh my gosh.
It's technical difficulty Monday. That's what it is.
Well, it was last Monday too, man. It was last Monday.
Just label Mondays TDM, technical difficulty Mondays.
Yeah.
So I kind of like Ver under $73 if we get there. $73.
VIR. And we're gonna look at this crazy thing here. This is a crazy chart. The problem is right now with that one is the cost. So, do you know how far out you want to go?
Let me look at these options here. Yeah. Oh my goodness. Yeah. I'm actually gonna probably scratch this one.
Because if you went with 18-day, you could. Yeah, I mean you're looking at.
Yeah, I have to scratch Ver. I have to scratch it. I'm gonna actually remove it from my list. I'm not even gonna watch it anymore. That's too much, man. Too much. Here's another one that just came across. SHLS. SHLS.
SHLS.
SHLS. So Shoals.
No options for it.
Wow. You know what? Is that an IPO?
Looks like it, yeah. It's fairly new, 4 days old.
It's bearish too. That's why, yeah, there's gonna be no options on it. It's gonna be absolutely none.
Yeah. Let's look at some of Tom's stuff here.
Yeah, dude, I like that. I like that they post their stuff up like that. It's awesome. I'll be right back.
All right. Maybe Cron looks bearish underneath this low, man, like 980. Continues down. Maybe did this support level of $9. CRWD looks bullish. CSCO looks fairly bullish, I guess you could say. DD. Ooh, DD. What is PG doing? Jeez, that's kind of a difficult one to assume anything on, isn't it? Then you got the QQQ selling. Oh, Roku looks pretty bullish, actually. All these look pretty bullish. Ugh, excuse me. Um, okay. So this short is not going according to plan right now, but it's okay. We're gonna see if we can't work it a little bit. Hmm. Hmm.
All right, I am back. I am back.
So this thing, another crazy thing, dude, is so my max loss on this trade,
Mm.
I can't remember what it was. It was pretty low. It was not more than $50. And I just saw a negative $50 come across my P&L. See, watch it.
Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. It keeps going back and forth. It's like 15. Oh, I know. I'm looking at the bid. Never mind.
Yeah, right here. And
That's
you're gonna,
crazy.
yeah, dude.
I don't get it.
I don't either.
I don't get it, man. We're like almost at $16, man, and this thing shouldn't be negative. Huh.
Nope. And on top of that, you've got this, uh, like right here we are. We're almost at $16. And see, look, it's just changed on me, man. Why did it change? Now it says I'm not going to be profitable. What? 300 and
Oh my
what?
God, dude.
I don't know, man. I'm so freaking confused, man. I don't know. Like I am
Dude, I
s
don't get it, man. Brandon's calling CGC long over 40. Yeah, weren't you like you were literally profitable 30 something dollars?
Mhm.
It just keeps going green and then red.
Yeah. Well, and I've got this working order here that cancel. So let me just cancel this one too, just to make things simple. So then I've got um it's $5. So now let's go back to trade and let's look at the curve. See how the curve's changed on me?
I know now it's like now it's all I don't understand. Now it's all red.
Now it's all green. Like, see, now it shows I'm down $20. So if I go to close position, it just
Hmm.
sets me up a new order. And like the new order is very confusing too, because like I don't know. I'm
I don't get it. I don't get it at
I,
all, man.
I don't either, man. I'll be right back.
All right. All right, everyone. Just a quick overview of the markets right now where we stand. We've got the S&P 500 up about 24 points. Nasdaq is up about 131.5 points. Dow futures are up slightly up 76 points, and the Russell 2000 is up about 15 points. Looks like the if I'm looking at the S&P 500, let's say the trend is trying to change, the intraday trend at least. It looks like it's trying to go up here. Still got shorts on because our indicator is still indicating that we are still in a bullet or bearish trend. So
I'm back
won't
with you now.
change. Amen. Won't change. Unless we get some kind of signal stating otherwise. All right. Get some water too. I was looking at SPY.
Yeah.
Yeah. Like wondering I feel like we could return like back up to like at least 376 by the end of the week.
Let's see. Yeah, I was looking at SPY over the weekend, trying to.
I was bearish on it when we were up over like 383. I was definitely bearish on it because of where we were sitting.
Mm-hmm.
Kind of wish I took that put, but I just something that I haven't really traded that much, the SPY at least. I mean, it's similar to obviously trading the S&P 500, but I option wise, I'm not familiar with it. So for me to call something,
Right.
it's gonna just be based on what I'm seeing here, at least on the intraday chart. I'm looking at a 5-minute chart right now, and I feel like 376 looks to be a good area. Daily looks like we've already kind of tested some support around like 368. Well, yes, just tested the 1 minute, 20 period or 200 period moving average, just rejected that too.
Mm.
Still trying to figure out your whatchamacallit, huh?
Mm-hmm. Oh yeah. It's not very friendly to me right now, but it's all good. Uh, just just trying to stay patient and
Yeah, I mean,
so,
at least for that option vertical, right? Like you just have to remain over a certain
yeah,
price, right?
yep. So can I go over with you something I learned last night when dealing with
Yeah,
credits?
yeah. Give me 1 second. I'm gonna grab some water, and then we can
Okay.
go over that.
All right.
Okay, I'm back.
All right. So remember how I was telling you about that strategy I was uh trying to teach myself
Yeah,
the
the Big
banking
Lizard.
no, it's it's kind of that banking strategy I was telling you about.
Mm.
Like
Yeah, yeah.
you're quote unquote your bank and all that stuff. Well,
Mm.
the interesting thing that I found out last night is like when you do a credit spread, you are basically you're you're forming the spread. So if it's a dollar spread, the risk reward is going to be within a dollar. So you see what I'm saying? Because your spread is 374 and 375. So it's $100 spread. And so like on this particular trade with SPY, the max profit, the credit is $65, $64. The loss is 35. So that means that if it's, that's how that credit spread works is because it's from 374 to 375. So that's a dollar. So 100 shares of a dollar is $100. All right. So like right now, you're going to get a credit of $64 with a max loss of $36. That's for that $100 spread. You see what I'm saying?
Hmm. Hmm.
So I answered my own question was, does when you lose, is it taking from uh, the spread or not? And the answer is if it's outside the spread, which is right here, it's going to expire worthless, right? So that spread is actually going to be negative $100. But because you got the credit, you're only going to be net down $36. Does that make sense? So
Yes.
with that being
Yeah.
said, my strategy would work because it's not taking from it's taking from the max your actual credit. It's not okay, we haven't blue dotted yet.
Mm-mm.
Um so it's taking from your actual that $100 spread instead of taking from your actual capital. It's taking from the $100 spread. So because what I was afraid of was that the 66 or 64 would just disappear and they would take 36 or whatever from uh, however it might be. I don't know, but
Hmm.
there's different
Hmm.
ways to look at it. And with this, because it's the max loss is 36, max profit 65. You have, and that's for the SPY to go down. So you're in profit if the SPY goes down, continues down, I guess you'd say. Um, Very interesting play right there because out of $100 bill, they're paying you 64 of it. It's kind of like Nadex. The spread is a dollar, so it's kind of like a in the money where you're buying a $64 call to risk $36 on Nadex.
Yeah. Yeah. Huh. That's actually not really bad, and it limits your downside too. You know what I mean? Like especially if you just
Yeah,
you don't want to lose a lot, right? You don't want to. I mean, and that's
no,
obviously in trading in general. Like we don't want to lose a lot of money. So how do we limit our downside and still at least potentially be profitable as well if the trade goes our way.
right.
Which is nice. So that right there, what I'm looking at is a put option.
Yeah, on my screen. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So what you're looking at is a call credit spread. So this is to when you do a call credit spread, you're betting that it goes down, and when you do a put credit spread, you're betting that it goes up. And what it does is instead of you having to sit and wait on the profit, it puts that profit right in your pocket. But now, don't get me wrong, you couldn't theoretically you couldn't do like I was talking about. You could not um, pull the money out and then not expect to be down $100
Right,
because
right, yeah, yeah.
because what's going to happen is at max loss 36, that's subtracting the $100 from the 63. So if you add the 65 and the 35 together, you're going to get 100. So if you pull the credit out and put it in your pocket, um, you gotta understand that you are going to be down $100 in your account if this thing goes bad. Not
Hmm.
not 36. You're going to be down. You're going to be down because what you're doing is you're using that credit to help cushion your blow if you're wrong. So altogether you'd be down $100, but since you got a $64 credit, it's only gonna be $36. Dude, look, how am I up $42? Close position. Um,
Yeah, I would definitely close it, man. Do you right click on the top or all of it?
dude, I don't know. Like, I don't know. Like, I just want to close it. Close position, and then I go to review, and it's send order, and I get this error message
I know, I
price.
just seen it. I just seen it. Hold on, hold on. Can you go back? Go back to where your order was sitting.
Okay. So I'm still up $42. Sorry. So I just want to get out of this thing, man.
Yeah,
Like,
go back to that one screen where your order was. Positions. Yeah. Click on the top level.
it just brings it down.
No, can't no like can't you click on where it says INO and right click?
No.
You can't close that position from there.
Uh-uh. Nope. You got to come right down here and here. Let's see if we can close it like 85% maybe.
Dude, I don't get it, man. So weird.
uh, I'm confused too, man. I'm so confused right now. Okay, so let's go.
What is it saying? What's that error message says something about your spread or something is like
Yeah. So let's see if I can. Okay, so I can get out there. So it's working. It's working to try to get me out. The reason why is because my profit is higher than my max original profit.
entry, right? Oh,
Yep, yep.
okay.
But
Okay.
see, since it's above it, I should just be able to limit right out.
Mm-hmm.
The fact that I can't just limit out is really really shocking to me right now. Like why can't I limit out? And then as soon as I place the order, it knocks it down to $22. So oh crap. So I'm adding to that position.
Oh no.
What? No, in
Oh,
the
you added
futures.
to the
Yeah, futures.
short.
Yep.
Okay.
Yep. Adding to
Oh,
the.
dude, I missed that.
You still got a chance here. It's pulling back up.
Wow. Tasty. So confusing.
It really is, dude. It's beyond confusing. Like, and I get it. It's just the vertical spread that I'm doing that's confusing, but I don't know. Oh man.
Almost, it's almost why like I like to just play the straight options and just get in, have a stop loss, get out, and then maybe start messing around with some of these other fancier um options.
Yeah. Well, the thing I know, like, I don't know anywhere I can demo options other than TD.
Mm-hmm.
And TD, I screwed the account up, and I don't know how to reset it, so I don't have any way to like just play with
I
these
know,
without
I
just doing it
know.
with money. Like
Let's Google this. Let's Google this. Let's see. Simulated options trading app. 3 best virtual options trading simulators in 2021 from Benzinga.
let's do this. I'm gonna cancel that, and then I'm gonna close position, and then this one. Oh my gosh. No, I want to delete them both. Close position. All right. So why don't we try to get out right here? I can't even get out right there, man.
I know.
What?
I don't even understand what's happening.
So I'm trying to get out of 20 right now. And see, look, dude, as soon as I hit it, they knock my P&L down.
Frustrating me. And I know you're the one that's stuck in this freaking trade, dude. It's not getting you out.
Nah. Nah, it's beyond frustrating, man. I mean, dude, I mean, that's it shouldn't be that hard. I should just be able to click and trade, man. I mean, when you make it that difficult on somebody, they're gonna pull their money out.
Yeah, it's just one of those like crazy. It's like one of those crazy brokers that like it make it a little bit harder for you to understand like how to get in and out of a trade.
Yeah,
You know, and you have your limit order set. You had your limit order set at 20 cents. And it hit 20 cents.
yeah. Well, it was at 20 cents, and then I put it at. See, there's $20. So that's 20 cents right there. Um, isn't it?
Should get you out, right? I think that's what it is. Or what's the 27?
Where's that at?
See where it says mid right next to it to the left?
Oh, 22. It says 22. Um,
Maybe it has to hit 20.
so I limited it at 20.
And it's at 22.
22. But see, I don't know where I'm at right now. Like, I don't know where is it right now? Like, is it at 19? Is it at 18? Like
It hit 20. It just hit 20 now, so let's see.
Yeah, that's lagging.
Well, yeah. I got a little bit of a delay here between what I'm seeing on the screen and what you're saying. Yeah, it should have gotten you out.
So, yeah, I'm trying to
Thoroughly confused.
see now I'm negative. Who knows, man? I get it. I understand what's going on. I know that the in the money call is gaining ground and the in the money put is losing money. I get that.
Mm-hmm. Well, yeah, that's what's driving the P&L down,
Yep.
or at least making it, semi even, and that's we understand the leg and part of it. Now actually seeing it, you know, when we talk about it, it's confusing, but then when you see it, you understand it, you know.
Yeah.
At least for me, you
Yeah.
know, it's just how my brain works.
I mean, I get it. I understand it. The problem is what I don't understand is um, I'm trying to get out with a 20-cent credit, which is a uh, $20 win. And every time I go down, see, like right there, boom, I was just up $23. I should have filled.
Yeah.
What I'm saying, people, don't trade options unless you really know what the heck you're doing.
Oh, what was one of the stocks that I was looking at? FCell, right? So let's look at FCell. Let's see where we're at. FCell's at $20, 2083.
Yeah, I think that's going to flip on us, man. I think we're going to flip long here.
FCell?
No,
Yeah.
the futures.
Oh, the futures. Yeah. I'm watching it closely. You know, the other thing too that I got to get used to with trading stocks again is that like they don't move like how the futures move, you know, and like when we watch futures, like we see like points, you know, moving quick, right?
Yep.
And like in the stock market, I forget like it's pennies, you know. It's
Uh-huh.
like you gotta almost reset your brain. I really do like FCell if we can get below $20 though. If we get below 20 and then we break it back above 20, I'd probably be going long.
Here we go. We're selling back off a little bit now. If we can. Let's see if we can get something going here. Bot didn't trade the implied volume was too great.
I guess maybe sell off. I don't know. I don't know what this thing's doing right now.
Yeah. I'll look to add here. Maybe if it continues.
I mean, the 5 minute looks like it's going to continue. I mean, it's like trying to make some intraday highs, and it's just failing.
Mm-hmm.
We're just kind of making lower highs now at this point.
Yep. I mean, we did a pretty good push up from the open of last night. Oh, there's my trade from last night. If wants to see it. Let me take you back and show you this one. So I was short, and then I flipped it long, and took profit right there. Look at that, man. I took profit right there. I could have let this thing go 40 points.
You could just let it basically run all night,
Yeah. Shot myself in the foot on that one. All right, just add it. Let's target 37.28. 37.28.77 now. Which means we'll have to break this little temporary support right here. But I think that's more likely to break than the upside is too. So we're messing around with it right now. There we go. Come on, baby. Come on. There we go. Look at this sell-off, Neil. Keep selling. Don't you stop on me now. Don't you dare.
Ooh, it's a good sell. Good sell candle. It's going to be another good trade here.
Thinking maybe I should get a little bit more aggressive on my ads. I don't know, because I could already been out with a pretty good profit. The market really loves to do this to me. It likes to dab into my profit and then shoot back up. Like it gives me just a little bit of profit just for a minute and then it shoots back up.
I think it's gonna go back down, man. We're about to test the 200 period moving average again on the 5 minute chart. Get ready, dude.
Come on, come on. Ah, I got it, man. I got it. I'm out.
Yeah, man. Yeah. That's another good trade.
Another good trade. Look at us in our algo. We're just killing it.
Between the algo and now trading stocks, it's gonna be good.
Yeah, for you, man. You made 20 bucks in the stock market trading options. I'm sitting at $3. Like, can I not just mark it out? Like, that's my question. Can I not just like let's look at something else. Mio and trade. Let's just throw in an 18-day spread. It's actually not a bad trade. All right. So you can edit order and you can limit price, but you cannot just mark it in. That does not give you anywhere here to just put market.
Hmm.
You see that, right? There's nowhere to just, I want to mark it in.
Huh. There's an LVS. Is LVS a call? Las Vegas Sands.
Yeah, yeah, that looked good. LVS long.
I don't know. I don't know if it's long or short. Apparently, it was an alert, so I don't know.
Oh, maybe it is a short because it's pulling back like crazy.
Hmm.
Who knows? But the good news is by being out INO so many days, you're going to have that time decay, which is going to start separating the two. Um, the two numbers. So like right now, the vertical spread is pretty even because you've got pretty similar numbers trading at those levels. But as time goes on and it stays in the green, the time decay will help one side and hurt the other side. So
Mm-hmm.
unfortunately, it'll hurt the side that I'm actually green on right
Oh man, I still can't believe he didn't get out.
now. I don't know how to, man. I've tried every avenue that I know to uh, try to understand it. I mean, I'm not I've got a pretty decent understanding of the markets and options and stuff. So I just don't get, I just don't get it. I don't understand how.
So, what was the LVS alert? I'm trying to find LVS. Apparently, LVS was an alert. I missed
I
one.
remember it. Yeah, I remember you sharing that with me.
Did I?
Yeah.
Was it in a? Wait a minute. Oh, it is bullish. It is the bullish. 49.05. You're right. Well, I mean, it's still decent to get in. Target's 53.38. So March 19th. March 19th. $50 calls. I don't want to spend $350.
Dude, it just blinked and I was down 900 and something bucks. Or
What?
not 90 something dollars. Now, when I took this trade, it said I had a max loss of um $35 or something like that. Now, how is that working, because I don't get that either.
And I really wish I re-entered short here. I'll wait. I'll wait. Today's a very choppy day. If you're looking at the ES, man, we're kind of just stuck in a range, basically.
Yeah.
You know, which is kind of cool. I kind of like these like rangy days. You know, up and down, up and down. You know, and if you can kind of capitalize on those movements here.
I'm going to take a screenshot of this and post it in the Discord room. Let people know what they missed. Post that up in the Discord real fast.
Ooh, Neo 50. Let's look at Neo here. Let's see what Neo could potentially do here. Dude, Neo's just dropped like
One of the professional traders from Tasty Trade, he shorted. He did a calendar spread. He shorted. He shorted it short term and went long term. Like he went a few months out and went long, and then he went like a couple of weeks out and went short.
Yeah. Well, that was a good call at the open. Basically, 58 was a great area to short it.
Yep. I think he rolled his position out Friday, so I was looking at that over the weekend. I was like, that's pretty snazzy little trade there.
Yeah. Yep. So,
dude, look at QCOM.
Yeah. All right, what do we got going on at Qualcomm? Well, actually looks kind of interesting.
Yeah. So does Roku.
Like, along over like 158. Right? Is that what you're thinking?
Yeah. Or even like 160.50. I'm not sure.
Well, you know what I'm basing my Qualcomm trade on right now?
What's that?
Is this yellow line here.
Ooh, dude, check out SMH. Has a possibility of I mean, it could continue down. SMH is sitting on really not any support right now, but it does have a pretty nasty gap.
Oh, SMH to the upside. There's a gap between 233 and 237.
Uh-huh. SQ looks
233,
interesting.
237.
SQ sitting right on support.
Oh, SQ is always.
It looks bullish as all get out.
This is just an amazing chart right here. SQ.
Uh-huh. It really is. TGT is sitting on support. Nice support. And looks like it could be possibly a breakout to the upside trade.
Yeah, Target. Yeah, dude, Target. So right now is like the best time, in my opinion, to start looking for like long trades for the rest of the week.
Yeah.
Because if you think about it, like we got the S&P that's down, pretty significantly, overall. For the last like, week we kept trying, trading, trending down, right? So, we're gonna find some support, and eventually that's where it's gonna be found. It's gonna help boost some of these stocks that are kind of down as well, based on what's happened in the S&P. So if we look at it, TGT's good. Even Walmart, I think, would be even good too. WMT, Walmart's down around 140s, so you could be looking at like maybe a call options to like end of the week about 142, 142.50. I actually really like that because you're talking, it's not a lot for 142 call options here.
Let's see here. Um I'm gonna look that up.
Actually, that is
WMT.
one that I like.
I do too. I like that one. I like it a lot. Options. Let's see here if I can get an option yet on Webull.
Yeah, I'm liking Walmart.
I am too, but I don't know if I like the 4 day. I think I'm gonna go out. I think I'm gonna give it a little bit more time, Neil. I'm gonna give it like
You think so?
yeah, I'm gonna give it to like the 26th of February to go up. I just feel like it needs.
Give yourself 25 days and then do a 142.
Yeah, and the reason for that is just it's cheaper, and you know B, it has. So this trade I'm looking at right now has a max loss of $42 and a max gain of $58 at expiration if it's above um what was that, like 141.50 in 28 days. That's a pretty sure bet, man. I oh, that's paying me a premium too. I almost want the premium. Uh, oops. Nope, don't want to
And
do
I'm
that.
basically just sitting on my hands right now waiting for the ES to change direction, I think.
Dude, I kind of like that trade, man. It's a $58 credit. I think I'm gonna try it, man. I stink, Weeble. People won't let me trade. Position still sitting at 0 on the profit side of things.
Let's look at slick charts here. Indexes. We want to look at the S&P, right? So let's see. Walmart is part. Walmart's not really a hugely weighted company on the S&P, but I like it, man. I like it. We're almost down 0.5%.
I like it too. WMT. The only way I can trade this is if I go through Tastyworks. So right here is a $55. Okay, so right here is the max deal right now for Walmart is $43 max loss, $55 max profit, and that's a credit. So it'll be credited. You get the 55 today. If it does indeed stay
above 140.
140, 140.50, something like that. That's not a bad deal, man. That's not a bad deal.
But it has to get over 140.50 today for you to get the credit?
No. I've got 25 days.
Oh, okay. Oh, yeah, dude, that's a good trade.
Yeah. It's a vertical put. So it's going to be putting my $52.70 into my account, but my buying power will be affected by $47 until I close the trade, or the trade, is closed. So I'm gonna send it. It's working. We'll see.
Send it.
Sending.
Nah, dude, Qualcomm. What did I say? 158? 158.50 right now.
Nice. I'm waiting on the market to turn. I've got to go. I've got to start getting ready for my day. And I've got to run to the store. But I was really wanting the market to turn long because I love that higher low on the 5-minute chart, man. And when that higher low came in, I mean, that was a huge, like, pin bar type move. So that was a very big indication that that it's going to be turning bullish. So, I'm waiting on that signal because that's going to be a good trade long. And I'm actually going to update everybody.
All right. Let's see.
Oops, learn how to spell, Trey. Momentum.
Qualcomm. Gee. All right.
Okay, let's see here. Let's go. Um, INO. I want to look at that one more time before I just call it a day. And we're gonna go the chart. Gosh. See, that's the move right there. Like, I need to be, I need to be out of this trade. Like, really badly, I need to be out of this trade, dude, because it's gonna start pulling back.
I still don't understand. I still don't understand how you can't just mark it out of a trade. It's the most confusing thing. I'm gonna be looking at some INO.
You're gonna
Or
get
not INO, PLTR. I'm sorry, PLTR.
PLTR. Let's pull that up. Show the crowd.
34
PLTR.
entry 3420.
Okay. I like that, dude. That's clean. That is a clean. That is a clean find right there, man.
3420, buddy. Here we go. It is ready to print. Ready to print.
Well, how far are you going out?
Oh, I'm only doing February 5th calls.
And you're going 34?
3420. Yep.
Phew, that's $200.
Deal. Stop loss is 10%, dude. Target's 20. Base is up. Oh, wow. It just cracked it, man.
Are you going for it?
What? Hold on. It's saying, please check the risk below. You are purchasing one contract with unsettled funds. You will receive a GFV good faith violation if you sell these contracts before the funds settle, typically 2 trading days. GFV violations may result in account restrictions. What?
You have plenty of money to cover it, right? That
Well,
sucks.
dude, it doesn't make any sense. Like, why would it? I have like more than enough buying power to buy the contract, and the max loss is $181. So why would it even be using my funds that haven't even cleared yet? You know what I mean?
Yeah. Sounds just
That
as
don't make no
frustrating
sense.
as mine.
That don't make no sense.
Sounds just as frustrating as mine.
Yeah, like I don't get it.
Walmart won't fill me. Do I? I may just to try to tip my hat. I may. I may throw my hat in here on the PLTR with you.
don't understand like why it's giving me that error message. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
All right, we're getting a change in trend on the ES.
All right, so I got it working too. So I got a couple of trades working. Got Walmart and PLTR working.
There we go. PLTR. Let's go 3430.
Are you in? Or are
Huh?
you just watching?
I'm just watching, dude.
Oh yeah, that's right. I want to watch your trade.
I'm nervous about that alert.
Yeah, that's weird.
I'll probably have to call Webull and talk to them just to get an understanding, because I'll be like, listen, like I have available cash in the account, you know what I mean? So like it shouldn't be using unsettled funds. And I'd already be up. Dude, I'd already be up. Good. I should be able to use all the cash that's in my account until there
Absolutely.
is none.
Yep.
And once I know I have unsettled funds, that I gotta wait. You know what I mean?
Yep. Oh well. I guess what I'm gonna do is I guess you're right. I mean, really and truly, the best way to trade options is just naked options because
Yeah, dude. I'm telling you right now, man. Like, even if I got into even this one right here, man, this one right here, I'd be up already about $14 right now, and more than likely getting pretty close to even exiting this one, because it would get close to my 20%. Once it gets like about 20 something dollars, it's about 20%.
right.
You know, and then I'm done, and it's already almost there.
It's crazy.
I don't know, man. I like the naked options, like especially on like trades like this, man, where it's like literally you're taking it near where it is, in the money. Dude, $2 on the option now. Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, here we go, man. We're about to get some ES here. Alert.
Yep, it's coming. 1 minute. You're gonna have the alert. No problem. Oh.
Mm-hmm.
Oh. All right. I guess my trading day's over. I'm highly confused. I don't even know.
Yeah.
Look at that thing go.
All right. Switching to this 1 minute. So now I need a pullback, red, then green, or yeah, green, red, blue,
Yeah.
whatever.
Yeah.
Sweet. All right. I wonder, like, does Webull actually have like chat support or like phone people in America?
That would be. Are they not like? I don't know. I need to check my portfolio on Webull though and just see where I'm at. Yeah. Did it take a while to get your um did it take a while to get your okay to trade options in Webull?
Oh, dude, that thing came like pretty much same day.
Huh.
Because I put. It's weird. Is I sent a deposit. Trans- That money hasn't even hit. Hmm. Not very confused.
Okay, so I can do long puts and long calls.
Oh, Weeble.
Yep,
Yeah.
because I did get the level 2. So that looks like that's what I'll do if something comes across. Um, like Walmart. So let me go over here to Walmart and let's just try a naked option with Walmart here. Walmart option, just a single option, and we are going to buy the 141. It's $138. Sounds like it's a possibility, doesn't it? Oh, wait a minute. That's 4 days. I want to go out 25 days. Oh, that gets a lot more expensive, dude. Dang. A lot more expensive. Oh, all right. Oh, okay. All right. I got to close it up. Let me get going. Neil, are you there?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm just looking at this. Looking at this here. I'm gonna try to give them a call
Cool. Cool.
and see if I can figure out, like what the hell that even means because I've got it,
Yeah.
So I don't know why they would be
Yeah, it's
saying
very strange.
you can't contact. There should be yeah, there's a number. There's a number. Yeah, so I'm gonna call them here.
Okay.
All right, dude.
All right. Well, and everybody listening, thank you for joining us for this crazy morning. And we have such a crowd. Anyway. Anyway, all right, dude. I'll holler at you later.
All right, man.
All right,
Later.
bye.